Hello everyone, I am Teacher Sunny and welcome to our math class.
In this video, the lesson is about powers. Not the superpowers, but we are talking about the exponent in mathematics. In the powers, we have two parts. Let's be call it the example. We have 7 power 2. Or we can also say 7 squared because 7 power 2 means 7 times 7. We will go that part later, but first we are going to identify the parts. 2 is what we call your index, or commonly known as the exponent. On the other hand, 7 is called the base. When we say here in the powers, it means that we are going to multiply the base as to how many times or what is indicated in the exponent. For example, 7 power 2, it means 7 times 7. Why only 2 times? Because our exponent is 2. How do we get that? It's because 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Which means that if we're going to have a power that is 7 power to 4, it will be 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. Because if we don't see an exponent, it means this is 1 or power to 1. And one rule of exponents that we are going to focus here on this topic is when we multiply powers with the same bases. For example, here, the same bases, we have 7. We are going to add their exponents. We have here as equal to 7 power to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Where did I get the 1? The ones are from here. So what is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus another 1 which is equal to 4. So we have 7 power to 4. The rule here is that when we are multiplying powers with the same base, we are going to add their exponents. That's going to be one of our focus on this video. Let's have an example. Let's say 5 power to 2 times 5 power to 4. So we have 5 power to 2 times 5 power 4. We are just going to copy the base. We are just going to copy the base, and then we are going to add the exponents. We have 2 plus 4, which will give us to 5 power 6. Very easy. Another example. 7 power negative 4 times 7 power 8. Copy the base, 7, and we're just going to add the exponents. Don't forget, this is negative 4. We are going to do negative 4 plus 8. So negative 4 plus 8. Now negative 4 plus 8, these are integer problems. So when we add integers that are not the same sign, one is negative, the other one is positive, we are going to subtract them by subtracting the bigger number to the lower number, which means we have 8 minus 4 because 8 is more than 4. So 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. And the bigger number here is 8. And the sign of the bigger number is positive. We don't see the positive anymore here because it is a natural number. So our final answer will be positive 4 or just 4, which means our problem, the answer to our problem is 7 power to 4. Now, we can also do it like this. We have negative 4 plus 8. We have 4 negatives, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 8 positives, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are going to pair negative and positive together and take them out in the equation. Negative, positive, a pair. Negative, positive, another pair. Negative, positive, and the last pair will be this one. What do we have left? Is only positive. And how many positive do we have? It's 4. So negative 4 plus 8 is equal to 4. Let's have another example. Last example for this one. Let's say 8 power to negative 7 times 8 power to or power 2. We have 8 power to negative 7 times 8 power 2, which means we are going to copy the base since they are the same base, 8 power 2 negative 7 plus 2. So we can do the same one again. Negative 7 plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then we have positive 2, positive 1, positive 2. Pair them up. one positive, one negative, one positive, one negative, and only the negatives don't have a pair, and which is 5. So our answer will be 8 power negative 5. Or we can also do it like this: negative 7 plus 2. 7 is more than 2, and negative 7 and positive 2 are not the same integers. So we are going to do the bigger number minus the lower number, which means 7 minus 2, which is equal to 5. And 7 is the bigger number, and its sign is negative. So the final answer will be negative 5. These are some methods that you could use to answer how to multiply exponents with the same base.